Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a custom camera watermark in pictures on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on the settings icon at the top. Next, we go down and tap on watermark. Tap on the left-hand side panel. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then tap on this checkbox here, on the custom checkbox, and make sure it is turned on. Then tap on edit. In here, display your own text. So put in whatever text you want to use. Paris, so here I can put in Paris holiday. Then tap on saved. I can also turn on date and timestamp. Then I go back, tap on the back key to go back to the camera. Now take a photo. And in your picture, if you open it now, you can see it will have a watermark here at the bottom corner. You can also align your watermark to be on the left, center, or the right hand side. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.